G'day! So just today I've seen the pricing and a few review videos of the Poco F4 GT, and that, to say the least with that, I've been overall very disappointed for its value proposition. With that being that in Australian dollars it's costing around $850 or $720 for the, I believe it's the 6 gig model or the 8 gig model, the lower one of the two RAM varieties. And considering when the Poco F3 came out, that was around about $430, can be purchased as low as about $400 and as high as about $500 depending on which model you're after. The GT has definitely left me very disappointed, and I will probably be not purchasing said device. I have owned the Poco F1 in the past. That was an extremely well priced device, and then from there I moved to the Poco X3, and then I went to the Poco F3, and of which I've been very happy with, and I see real no incentive to purchase the F4, which I do like the air triggers on it. Granted, it is from a Mi model, or a Mi 11 model I believe, so it is semi-flagship, if not close to flagship, but overall the biggest thing that kills it is value. I don't really see it being a huge performance difference compared to the F3 that I already own. As opposed to the F1 to the F3, there was a fairly large difference, especially the 120Hz OLED display as opposed to the LCD display. So the screen's not really pushing it. The processor, the new Snapdragon 8, I don't really see that as too much of a positive, especially with current reviews saying about it overheating. Granted, that will be sorted out where it's going to be throttling better, and meaning long-term usage would be better, and well, better in a way that it won't crash or overheat. So right now at this point in time, I don't think I'll be getting the F4 GT, as it does not seem to be a good value for money. Looks like I'll be sticking with the F3 for a bit longer. Bye.